Many of us, especially in Hollywood, think about turning back the clock to look younger, but a lot of us are afraid of going under the knife. Well, now there are new cutting-edge options that leave the scalpel in the OR.
Here comes the shot.
Lasers, light, and a few little shots. The secret to erasing the signs of aging is that you no longer need to go under the knife.
Frown lines are incredibly common.
Simple, non-invasive, in-office procedures can make you look younger. In fact, 81% of the 11.5 million cosmetic procedures done last year were non-surgical.
More people are realizing that it's never been simpler, it's never been safer, and it's never been easier to look better. That you don't have to get surgery, that you can get a 5-minute office procedure.
Dr. Rebecca Fitzgerald says there are several ways to turn back time, including Botox.
Not too bad, is it?
Not at all.
But what's really moving in on facelifts turf is another injectable, fillers. A needle is used to pump up and plump up your skin.
What we're going to do is fill in every place that you see the face shadow. So I think a lot of people come in because they think they look tired, they look haggard, and they're tired of people asking them if they get enough rest.
First, 41-year-old Janine's face gets marked up. Then comes the needle with Sculptra, a synthetic substance that adds volume.
I can feel it a little bit. Friends had always said, you know, oh, you look like you dropped a lot of weight, that I look tired and I look drawn, and so I just knew it was, you know, my face sinking.
The most common patient is someone in their 30s and 40s and 50s who just wants to look a little more well-rested, just look good for their age, not necessarily look 15 years younger.
Getting Sculptra can take anywhere from 5 minutes to half an hour, and it lasts up to 2 years.
One simple, easy office procedure that takes less than 5 minutes can take a considerable amount of time off of your face, and you can see there's a marked difference.
New to the Beat the Clock game is Juvederm, just approved for use this month by the FDA. The filler is injected, then massaged to get rid of 39-year-old Crystal's and 41-year-old Alma's marionette lines and give their lips a boost.
Am I hurting you?
No, not at all.
These fillers are relatively simple in-office procedures that save time and money.
Yes. Oh, yes. This is quite different.
Do you like it?
I love it.
You don't take as much risk because you're not getting surgery. There's not as much downtime. You don't have to take as much time off of work. You're not swollen and bruised for a week or two. These are very affordable procedures.
It seems sci-fi, but lasers can lop years off your look. The beams of light diminish brown spots, acne scars, and wrinkles. 44-year-old Vicky is undergoing IPL to make sunspots disappear. A targeted laser can also erase pesky red vessels. It feels like a rubber band snap.
It hurts a little.
Another way to clear up that complexion is with a special mask called Cosmelon.
Don't you like it?
I love it. I look at myself now and I just think, wow, it was the easiest thing. So simple. I wish I knew about it a long time ago.
For needle phobes, there's always the oxygen facial to get a healthy glow. But for a dramatic difference, it's really the fillers taking years off.
I think that it's better than a facelift because I've seen people with facelifts that they just get that, you know, wind-blown look, and this actually just fills it in and makes you look more youthful, I think, better than a facelift. I was surprised that it was so subtle. It's just a subtle difference to where it's not like I look so different where people go, you know, oh yeah, you've done something. I just look like when I was 25.
And for spots, it's lasers.
I think I look a lot younger, and I think the amazing thing about it is that when I ran into people that I haven't seen in a while, they didn't know if I did anything, but they knew something was different about me. And I feel like my skin is back from years ago. So it's great.
Simple, relatively pain-free ways to turn back time, all while avoiding surgery.
Everyone now dyes their hair. You don't know if someone is 45 or 55 or 65 or 75. And I think that this stuff will become as open and as accepted as coloring away your gray.